Want to make homemade baby food but think it's too hard or takes too long? With Baby Bretz's Glass One-Step Food Maker, nutritious homemade baby food is a breeze. The Glass Food Maker automatically steams and blends fresh veggies, fruits, and meats in minutes for healthy, homemade baby food. It's the only baby food maker with a glass bowl, and its large 4-cup capacity can make multiple meals at once with the press of one button. The unique Viper blade blends food with precision to the perfect consistency, and it's easy to use and clean. The steam tank is fully accessible, the water tank is removable, and the glass bowl and blades are dishwasher safe. Not only is homemade baby food better for your baby's development, you can save hundreds of dollars a year versus store-bought baby food. The Baby Bretza Glass One-Step Food Maker was chosen Baby Food Maker of the Year in 2018 by Baby Center, and moms are raving about it. Make mealtime your favorite time with the Baby Bretza Glass One-Step Food Maker.
Hi, I'm Sarah with iPlay Inc. Today I'm going to show you our Green Sprouts baby food meal so you can make fresh, wholesome homemade purees for your baby at home. With our baby food meal, you don't need batteries or electricity to operate, and it even separates the seeds and skins from the puree. Green Sprouts baby food meal is PVC and BPA-free polypropylene with a stainless steel strainer. To use, slide the grinder bowl upward on the bottom cylinder to make space for the food you want to puree. Insert soft cooked food here. Line up the tabs on the strainer plate with the notches in the grinder bowl and turn clockwise to tighten. Place the food mill on a flat surface and loosen the thumb nut. Grasp the lower portion of the grinder bowl with one hand and press down slowly while rotating the handle clockwise. Food will come through the strainer plate into the serving bowl. If the handle crank seems too loose or too stiff, turn the thumb nut clockwise to tighten or counterclockwise to loosen the crank. When finished, you can feed your baby fresh puree right out of the built-in serving bowl. For more great Green Sprouts products, visit iPlaybaby.com. Grow healthy, grow happy. Thanks for watching.